Hey guys, welcome back. We will tie the hairs on the back like this. After that, we will take few section of the hairs from the front and fix them on the back like this. Keep fixing the hairs. Now tie the hairs and make the plaits like this. After we are done with the plait, we will fold the hairs upward to make a bun. First make the plaits and fix it using the rubber band. Now fold it upward, fix it, and it's done. Next, we will take few sections of the hairs from the sides, divide it into 3 sections. Now make these small plaits like this, taking the few section of the hairs from the side. After you are done with this, follow the same step for the other side as well. Tie them together like this. It will look like a heart shape little bit. Now fix them together like this on the top. Roll the hairs, fix it, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Divide your hairs into 4 sections like this. Now make the plaits. Here we are making the plaits in the little different way, so watch the video very carefully and don't miss out on any step. After you are done with the plaits, tie the hairs in the downside or from the bottom. Fix it upward by rolling it. Make a beautiful bun. Fix it using a hairpin and it's done. Next, we will tie the hairs on the top like this. Take few sections of the hairs from the sides to make the plaits. Take the hairs and give it a shape like this as shown in the video. Now watch the video very carefully and follow each step. Make the hairstyle like this and it's done. Thanks for watching.